I am getting ready to head inside of Burlington. I was over in this area, so I just didn't want to not go inside of Burlington because they get new stuff in every day. So I just want to make sure that I check them out before I went on the other side of town. So this is Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville. I'm coming to you from Burlington, and I am getting ready to head inside of the store, and I will see you in the store. Trying to get back here to these here $19.99. That's cute. They got two of those. I'm gonna put it back in the back here. Trying not to break anything. Yeah, excuse my camera because I didn't want to break that. So this crown here is $9.99. This here little pineapple shape, $8.99. And they got some more of these in, so let's go ahead and do the bottom shelf since I'm down here. Okay, this little, that's $12.99. And this one is $14.99. Okay, let me let you see that one. Okay, then you got this easel back here. I think this is like $5.99. Okay. They got some more of these plates I showed you on the other side. They're just different colors. Like that one there is like $7.99. Okay, I showed you that. Let me show you this here. That $19.99. And that matches some of those other pieces back there. Come up to the second shelf. Got a lot of these pieces in. Up to the first shelf, we got a Forever here. $12.99. $12.99 for that Forever. Okay, we got a $9.99 here. Like a little ball there. Okay, let me show you this. That's $6.99. I showed you those. Okay, so let's go around the other side. $49.99. Okay, let's head on over here. That's $34.99 there. $16.99. $19.99. $29.99. $29.99. $39.99. $24.99. $19.99. $14.99. $24.99. $19.99. $34.99. Okay, let me go see, do they have some of my pillows? $19.99. $16.99. As for me and my house, we'll serve the Lord. Bless our home. And in everything give thanks. Okay, this is what they got over in the pillows. Hi. Still looking for that certain color. Have not seen that yet. Maybe they'll bring it out later on. Top shelf, middle shelf, bottom shelf. Okay, I don't see my throw, not the color that I'm looking for. It's all good. They do have a lot of different ones in here. And another row of pillows. Okay, guys. Thanks again for watching my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thanks to all of those that have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look, guys, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to my channel. It is free. As long as you got a Gmail account, you can subscribe. If you do not have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and create one and do us a favor and go ahead on and subscribe and join our family. Now, you do have to be logged in to your Gmail account, or else it's not going to let you subscribe. So you can have a Gmail account, but you must be logged in to it. Okay, so I'm going to head out of here. So you guys take care, and I will see you in the future. Your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.